Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the app. Hurdlr, an honest review. Watch this before you subscribe. Hurdlr is a popular financial tracking app primarily geared towards freelancers, small business owners, and self-employed professionals. It boasts a comprehensive suite of features designed to simplify financial management, including income and expense tracking, mileage logging, and even tax calculations. This makes it a great choice for anyone looking to streamline their finances. The app integrates seamlessly with popular platforms like Uber, Etsy, and Airbnb, and can even connect directly to your bank accounts for automated transaction tracking. One of Hurdlr's standout features is its real-time tax estimation. This helps users stay informed about their tax obligations throughout the year, eliminating any surprises during tax season. For solopreneurs and those juggling multiple income streams, this feature is invaluable. Furthermore, Hurdlr generates profit and loss reports, providing a clear picture of your financial performance and actual earnings. The automatic mileage tracking eliminates the tedious task of manual logging, and the customizable expense categorization allows you to tailor the app to your specific business needs. Even better, Hurdlr's simple interface makes it accessible to users without any financial background. Hurdlr's premium version offers even more robust functionality. Advanced reporting, accountant access, and additional integrations for multiple accounts are all included, making it a powerful tool for serious business owners. However, it's worth noting that some key features, like the automatic mileage tracking, are only available with the paid subscription. This might be a drawback for those operating on a tight budget. In conclusion, Hurdlr is a highly effective financial management tool for freelancers and small business owners. While the free version offers valuable features, the paid version truly unlocks its full potential. If you're looking to improve your financial organization and minimize tax time stress, Hurdlr could be a worthwhile investment. Just remember that to access all its powerful features, including automatic mileage tracking, you'll need to subscribe to the premium plan. If you're serious about efficiently managing your business finances, Hurdlr deserves your consideration.